Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this video. I would like to welcome you onto my channel, guys. I've been seeing small clips here and there about the show Istina Friend to Friend. When Yabona, if things have escalated to a point of which now people have seen an opportunity to create and make money with a show that is based on people being jealous, people thinking that they can do better, people wanting impilo zabanye abantu, and we cannot lie, bafethu, from with onkama relationships. From outside looking in, we all tend to have this thing ukuthi yo kuhle asilapha, yo yazi ngathi oh nami ngathi ngangena lapha. Okay, I don't have that, man. I don't want to lie to you, but most people, most especially people who would write to shows like this and who would want to share umngani wabo or anyone who they are close with guesting, they tend to have that notion ukuthi yo ish, yes, if this person does this for this person, yo. And this one is always telling me problems, is always complaining. I know I can use those problems, first things first, to split them up. And I can also use those problems to also ensure where this one lacks, mina, I try to balance out. And even if now I also lack in some of those departments, I'll just, check out this small clip of this episode that I've just watched, and then sokhuluma
ngangisize ukuthi ngithole unomfundo ukuthi ebe girlfriend yami umuntu ozwana nomngane wami uphilane ngiyamazi ukuthi umuntu oshithayo
awuyazi lento ayishoyo
kufanele sigcine sikhumbuzana ukuthi ubani indoda phakathi kwami kuyangidelela
ngobhuti ngosisi nophilane.
Nothing a goat can fix.
mangathiwa besinithisana bozothini umuntu nomthanda wenza isiphiwo.
Tuesdays at 8 p.m.
First things first, I'm happy that the girl said no. I'm happy people who do these things, they deserve to know, and not only just to know, they also deserve to lose the person that they're trying to pursue and to also lose that person that they are betraying. Pearl, what happened to Ibro code? What happened to his sister code, family code, what code, girlfriend code? What happened to those? What happened to Lokonje Buffett? We need to talk about this. What happened? Like, for instance, on this episode, this guy, how I see it, he lost that girl. As much as even towards the end of the show, he was like, he's going to try his best to get the girl and all of that. I would not be shocked if this guy even goes to lengths Oguti Akane Nyanga and all of that. I will not. If he can do this to his best friend, what makes you think this guy will not do anything that he can do in his power to ensure Guti Amtola losses? Amafile kwakiphila onke. Uthema ibona ukuthi when the minute he realized and saw ukuthi he can't get this girl just by ukumshela nje kuphela, wabona ukuthi no what, because she loves this one, let me just keep imfihlo, skip amafile, thinking ukuthi nakhona futhi I do not understand what makes a person think ukuthi mawuze keep amafile if my partner said akakufuni wena once I keep my file usezothi uyakufuna, what makes you think that? Because even if kungakuthi my partner decides to leave me, it does not mean ukuthi bazoba now, because ushilo vele wathi akakuthandi. Understand? Ushilo wathi akakuthandi. And if it ever happens ukuthi udecide ukuthi abe nawe, one thing you must know is that this person is not with you because you're tanned. This person is not with you because of any genuine love or anything that is pure, or out of no one having to be spited kurabhe lo munye umuntu. Cha, lo muntu be nawe nje just because of the moment of vulnerability yakhe, noma sizothini ebesadinga ukukhila, because there are also other people abangakhona ukuthi umuntu ahlale without being in a relationship. But mayiphuma la angena la phuma la, and akwazi ukubuya ukhala uthi wena umuntu wenze i-rebound. You cannot come out crying few years later usuwenze everything for this person, wamfundisa wamenzela ukuthi nokuthi now this person is an evolved better person, and naye even emotionally usehilile lo muntu. Because let's say if this girl decided to date this guy after hearing all those things, and after she first said Guti, she's not going to date this guy, she's not into this guy like that, this guy is his friend. Funny thing, that's how she was even referring to the guy from the show, from the episode. Next thing, let's say uvumile again, kuhambe 100 years, this guy does everything for the girl because the guy really loves the girl, and the guy knows that the girl does not love him. And as he even said towards the end of the show, the Guti, he's going to do his very best. I'm definitely sure Guti, if the opportunity did present itself, Guti, they ended up dating. This guy was going to go high and low to ensure Guti the ntombazane right. Le ntombazane says yes in the name of ukuthi hurt, ufuna ukuheal. Next thing, this guy, le ntombazane says yona ay mina ngisakufuna, and this guy has done everything for her. This guy has done everything for her. Le ntombazane ithi mina angikufuni, and naseqaleni bengakuthandi, uyazi ukuthi mina ngithanda umngane wakho. In a way wena ngwena wafoster mina. Is she wrong lapho? Uyobe se wrong? Yes, naye uzobe wrong, but bafethu animeni kancane. Animeni kancane. Ezinye izinto futhi ephine ekhanda e-GBV lezi. Because mangathola intombazane igcina isiyenza something like that, egcine lo mfana lo osobe se-sacrifice everything, uzobe sefuna ukuthi alimaze le ntombazane. Ethi hawu kanti ubungenza islam, akhohle ukuthi wamthola kanjani, akhohle nanokuthi futhi bengamthandi. Guys, yekani ukufoster nokumfuna ukumanipulate abantu ukuthi benithande. If umuntu engakuthandi akakuthandi. Umuntu womuntu oclose naye akuyena umuntu wakho, akuyona i-potential yakho. Period. You do not do that. You just don't. Uphilaneke is a weak man. A weak man. The energy that he has for the girl, I find in the energy that he's supposed to be having for this guy. Of which the person who betrayed him here is the guy, not the girl. Ukwatela umuntu osifazane, but uthambile makufika kule ndoda. Kanjani? Kanjani? Then sizofaka vele ukuthi ubani oyindoda la. Hawu ameni kancane bafethu. Animeni kancane. Yazi animeni kancane. Nanokuthi kuze kufike kule nto eyibongo ke ukuthi their mothers are related and stuff like that. Uphilane uyasaba ukuveza lokho ukuthi ba related, and uyazi ba related. So I think it also goes back to into ukuthi the family is not going to accept their union, but still usafuna ukuqhubeka naye kanjani? Because basically now Uphilan is only thinking about himself, he's not thinking about the girl. Because enye into futhi, if I'm not mistaken, they did mention in Dabaguti, Uphilan has never introduced the girl to his family. Oh well, mina angifuna umbhedo, angifuna umuntu uzofika azo introduce umuntu la. Kanjani? Kamcabangela again. He's selfish. Yabona naye this Zuluness. Ubunabo selfish bafethu, angifuna ukuqambela amanga. Bunobu selfish obukhulu, because even the way that he's talking, uyambona ukuthi akafundisekanga lo mfana, and most of the time uthola ukuthi imfundiso eso in the way abakhuluma ngaso, it can either be ukuthi ukufunde ekhaya kubo ukuthi khulunywa kanje nomuntu osifazane, noma ukufunde ekuyisekele or i-environment le akhule kuyo. Umuntu osifazane akhulunywa naye kanje. Umuntu osifazane still umuntu. We need to take that into consideration. As much as uzofuna ukuveza ubudoda bakhe and all of that, you must also bear in mind ukuthi uyamdinga naye lo muntu osifazane or umuntu osifazane. Mina yazi sometimes abantu besilisa they will shock me when they say yazi abafazi bayabheda. Manje why looking busy nabafazi if bed? Why looking busy nabafazi because niyabona ukuthi bayabheda? It's like uyabona ukuthi kuyabheda la but wena uya khona ubhekile, uyabona ukuthi kuyafiwa la but uyakhona ubhekile. Kanjani guys? I even saw another comment on an X that was talking about ukuthi yabona if umuntu esilisa ekhuluma kanje uyabona ukuthi kusasemanzi phansi, and you can tell this guy is still young and definitely kusasemanzi phansi. Even with this mindset abantu besilisa ukuthi abafazi babhede, but still they go there. Nalokho futhi it is also it plays a huge part kwi-GBV bafethu, because now uyazi kuyabheda lapha, but uzoya still khona laphana expecting guys angeke uzohamba ebusuku expect ukuthi kuzoba nelanga ebusuku wazi kahle, and then bese uzothi uma ungaliboni ilanga ebusuku bese then uzo retaliate kanjani? Umuntu esifazana nje akhulunywa naye kanje but, and I'm also saying this to other abanye abaZulu. Yes, mina my mom was Zulu, my dad was Xhosa and all of that, but regardless of that, because people tend to also have this thing. I remember one time ngisafika ngapha ngiye Cotton On, sesekhona Cotton On la emall but ayiseko. Omunye usisi was like, well, what is your surname? What are you? Because I see, excuse me, surname yakho. Ngamtshela ngathi no, ngimXhosa mina, my dad is Xhosa. And then you're like, oh, but when you do not look Xhosa, amaXhosa they are bayalwa or they are, you know, barud. I was like, hey, mina, I do not believe in those things. Umuntu nje soyikhohla ngalelo. This thing ukuthi uzobamba lento ukuthi finally into yase-America when umuntu ezothi yo yazi mina swap, mina I'm from the Bronx, mina I'm from the Bronx, ngathi sefaka ngithukeke manje because you're from lapho ayimini kancane. So same thing even applies with this. Lento ukuthi uyindoda uyini ayimini kancane bafethu. I also believe ukuthi okunye okwenza umuntu wesilisa ukuthi abe indoda is the way oziphatha ngakhona, the way okhuluma ngakhona, the way ophatha abantu ngakhona, including umuntu wesifazana ngakhona, both mawukwatile and noma ukwi-good mood. Uba indoda, you must have a self-control and you must know how to talk. That's another thing that we also need to include. Kula mandoda must, indoda must. Unomfundo akazazi akasithandi. Bafethu, you need to see, yabona when you're dating a person, you'll see ama red flags. Yes, umuntu sometimes you can tell a person, no, let's get to know each other first before we can decide ukuthi siyaqala sajola manje. Let's get to know each other first. And then that person will first hide their true colors, hide. Like this guy just lied. And when that small guy spoke about it, awukho umuzi wamanga, and then awukho umuzi wamanga. The problem ukuthi some marriages or some people like ukhanda imshado bebodwa or kwakha imizi bebodwa, but ni bayi-2 uzofuna ukuthi akhe umuzi noma nakho umuzi but wena awazi ukuthi kwakhiwa umuzi, like ngizoyibeka kanjani lento, because this guy in this relationship you can tell ukuthi yena uthi ufuna ukwakha umuzi, because now the way he's cool, now the way he's khuluming, it's like manje yena use wrong ukuthi azama ukuzakhela umuzi, use wrong. But uyibuze futhi ukuthi wena wakho umuzi kodwa nami ku relationship and mina ngazi ukuthi ku relationship kodwa wena wakho umuzi kanjani kanti umuzi asikumelanga siwakhe soyi-2. But first ezinye izinto we need to work smart, not hard. Smart, and vela awukho umuzi okhandwa ngamanga, awukho umuzi okhandwa ngamanga, because at the end of the day what was going to happen to this girl is that uzoshiya kanjani, angeke azalotsholwe, ngeke kwenzeke lutho, because umndeni, you'll find out ukuthi umndeni wabo will just not agree on this, and ukho zobe sebuhlungu, zobe sepainful, and yomela be strong. Girl, bafethu nina toxic nani mantombazane. Ama red flags niyabazi abantu beni banjani, niyabazi abantu beni kanjani, but still you'll stick with a man who talks like this in the name of ukuthi uyamthanda. You're strong, you're strong. Yazi makuthiwa wathinta abafazi wathinta imbodo, ni strong. Mina ngeke ubani, mina ngeke vele kuthi ngizolokhu ngisticka around someone who's rude. Mina into in the relationship yami with this other guy was that was ukuthi ebengakwazi ukukhuluma towards the end of the relationship, ebe rude la, and akafundiseki but wena angideserve, wena amshaya janga, amkhatha off. Ni strong ke cha, ni strong bese uzozama ukuyimela kuyo lento yakho oyibonayo ukuthi njani, oyazi yena ukuthi njani. Nina mantombazane nisithande nje nani nejona amadoda so umuntu uyamuzwa nje futhi ubohlala naye nabangani bakhe during the talking stage before uzumqome umbone nje ukuthi umuntu kanjani akukho wrong yabona into 90 day rule cha ngathi sengiyayibona ukuthi izoweka guys because yes umuntu noma that person can try to ukuthi azibambe in 90 days ithe ukuthi xaxa fethu yes abanye bengakhona ukuyifihla ezinye ilentuzana ezimpisi ziyakhona ukusigqoka ilentuzana isilone what's this isikhumba sesikapa kuze kuyovalwa but angeke. And the fact ukuthi she is not sure ukuthi she's still going to be I think she's sure with ukuthi bahlukene with this friend one funny but with the guy akazi after knowing what she knows then is strong. Yo